Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Steals iPad from Hospital and Becomes Enraged. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Let's see.
She wants medication. She doesn't want a medication. She's erratic pretty much every day.
Okay.
But, she's picking up a tablet and wanting to throw it at someone. You'll see.
What's going on?
Yo!
I'm waiting for my phone and I'm waiting for my antibiotics that I was supposed to get Friday morning.
Okay.
You're not taking me anywhere. I didn't do anything.
Okay. Well, let me have the tablet.
Nope. Give me make sure they get me my phone and then I'll give it to you. Don't you fucking do it. I will fucking throw this thing. I will fucking throw it.
Do you want to go to jail?
You know, I don't fucking care right now.
Awesome.
I don't fucking
Wait a minute.
Stop it. Motherfuckers. Give me the fuck. Get away from me. Get away from me, you Get away. Get away. You're not fucking doing that.
Stop it.
Ouch.
There you go.
I didn't do anything. They won't give me my meds. No.
Go ahead.
Stop. Help. 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 Stop it out.
If you bite.
Oh, I don't care. Ouch. Ow. Stop.
Hold on. Are you out of your fucking mind?
Obviously you are, bitch. Obviously you are.
Give me your arm.
No. Fuck you. Fuck you. Help. 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 Ouch. Get off my fucking leg. Shut up.
God, please. Sorry, please.
Sorry, one more time.
Good. Sort of supervisor.
Get off my arm! You're hurting me so bad, you little bitch. Get off my arm.
Family?
193, can you start for Charlie 1 and 3?
Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. I'm so glad there's cameras here.
Yeah, we've been recording the whole time.
What?
We've been recording the whole time.
Good. Good.
You want to go get a
I
sleep mask?
fucking hope so.
Go grab a sleep mask.
Charlie 1.
Yes.
Just keep...
Stop hitting my back. I can't go anywhere.
Nobody's hitting your back.
You're digging into my back. Stop
No,
it.
I'm not.
It is not necessary. Stop it. Oh my God, stop it. I can't go anywhere, you fucker. You're on me to hurt.
Nope, I'm not even...
You're getting the Addy.
I'm not putting any pressure.
I can't breathe.
You're fine.
You're leaning your whole fucking body on me.
No, I'm not.
Get off me now.
No.
Get fucking off me.
Let go.
Fuck. Oh. Oh.
That's enough. That's enough of you.
Oh.
That's enough of you. That's enough.
Ow.
Okay.
Stop it.
No, lean down and stop.
What the fuck? Just stop hurting me then.
Stop.
I will fucking hold still. I will say you're hurting me. I can't.
If you're
I can't breathe.
Charlie 1, Charlie 3, 10 4
you're
6.
breathing.
Oh, you want me to stop talking?
10 4.
8 4
Ouch.
1 to 10.
8 14.
You guys got her medical records, right?
Yes.
Give me print. I'm getting print. Listen, I just need to know if she has anything because she spit on me, so.
Okay.
You know.
Nothing contagious. Just a whole wipe or something.
Help, you guys.
The door's locked.
Get off my fucking back, you bitch.
Stop. That's fine. You could do that.
Get your knee off my back.
I'm not.
Get your fucking knee off my
Stop.
back.
Stop digging your nails into me.
You fucking get off my back.
Stop digging
Get off
your
my
nails into me.
Get off my fucking back.
No, I'm not. Stop. I'm sick of it. Stop.
Get off my fucking back.
Far too early for this. That's enough. That's enough.
Help. Help.
8:30 in the morning.
Get
It's
off
type
my
early.
back, you bitch.
Probably just got on shift.
Ouch, it hurts! I told you I would stop it! I don't get off my back! I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting here. Ouch! Get off my back.
Someone Charlie 7, have a signal 4.
She doesn't want to lift her head up.
Lift your head up.
Fuck you.
Okay, well.
There you go.
360 South Rosemary Avenue, 360 South
There
Rosemary.
you go.
Very good.
Was a Toyota Matrix unknown color versus a Genesis unknown
I'll be there
color
in a
in
second,
front of the building.
Right?
Color was a passerby.
Alright.
We haven't
Come on.
gotten any calls from call parties at this time.
You ready?
All right. You're gonna stand up.
Hold on, let me scoot.
Hold on. You haven't got 20 breath.
Okay. Do me a favor. Turn this leg in. Turn it in. So you're gonna help us get up. All right?
I will. Hold on. Please, I can't
Yep.
breathe.
There you go. Well,
Just give me a second. I can't breathe.
once we stand you up, you're gonna be able to breathe better.
No. Oh, so weak. So weak. I need my shot, please. I'm gonna get sepsis.
Okay, come on, stand up.
I'm gonna get sepsis. No, I need
Stand
my
up.
antibiotics. I need my
All right.
antibiotics,
We're gonna
please.
stand you up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Come on.
Where's my shoe?
Up.
We'll grab it.
We'll get it.
I needed my shot. I need it. I'm sick is what I am. I'm sick. I'm so sick. Yes, sir. What are you doing?
Taking that off.
Why?
Because you can't take that to jail. Move. And have a seat.
You know what?
All the way in.
I'm not going until they give me my shot. I need my antibiotics! Stop it, you fuck!
You know, if you had just handed us your tablet, we could have helped you with
didn't
your...
tell me that. No, I've been waiting for my meds and they won't be.
Okay. Well, if you had just handed over and been cooperative, we could have helped you get we could have helped you get your medication.
No, you know, I don't know who you're working for. I don't know if it's for them. I don't know. I don't trust anybody.
Okay. Well, this is why you ended up the way you are right now.
No, it's not.
The handcuffs back on. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I need my meds. I need
Okay.
antibiotics. I need antibiotics.
Help me help you. Okay?
I just need
Look,
antibiotics.
listen to me. What's your
Please
first?
give me a shot before
Okay.
I get sepsis, please.
Okay, what's your first name? Mindy, I'm gonna open the door.
I have a fever.
Listen to me, Mindy. If you help me, I will help you. Do you understand me? Do you understand what I'm saying? All right, come here. Grab me the handcuffs and hand them to me.
Please, no.
Listen to me. Grab them for me and hand them to me, please.
I'm so. Okay, if I don't, please don't. I promise. I don't have the energy to fight.
Come here.
She can slip. Just zip ties, John.
I've got the smaller one.
Please don't.
Mindy, we're gonna roll down the windows and stuff so you're a little more comfortable. Okay?
Please, I'm so sick. Please, I'm so sick.
I'll take care of
I
it.
know I'm gonna get sepsis. I have a fever. I just wanted my antibiotics. That's all. I just wanted my antibiotics. They wouldn't give me
Calm
them.
down. So listen, this is what we're
Oh, my
gonna do.
body's sick.
We're gonna get you to the hospital, get you taken care of. Now listen, what happened here today? I'm Lieutenant DeStefano. I usually come out if what happened when the officers were here is what I really am concerned about.
They were hurting me. I wasn't doing it. I wasn't gonna do anything, and they were hurting me. She's digging her fucking knee in my back, and
Okay, and
I couldn't breathe.
what started that? Why did they do that?
I took the iPad because they refused to let me talk to my husband
Okay.
and my daughter. I mean, my son. They refused to let me talk to him. Since so thirsty.
All right. Just breathe.
You know, sometimes, you know, stuff like this is actually sad to watch just because this lady definitely has some mental health issues. Doesn't excuse her actions, but when you're dealing with a mental health patient, it's definitely a bit different, you know, definitely different than dealing with a regular person. But it's sad. It's sad to watch, but you know, the cops did the right thing. I mean, she can't be causing a ruckus, whether you mental health or not, you know, but being mental health, a lot of the times, you know, they'll do something and they'll actually get off because they, you know, they not right, you know, so, but yeah, man.
So the iPad, you wouldn't give it back, I guess?
I just said, give me my phone, I'll give you the iPad. I just needed my phone to call my husband.
And the officers tried to grab the iPad from you?
No, they just, no, I don't know, I can't remember.
Okay, it's all right, calm down. We'll get you taken care of, okay? So listen, so because of what happened, you're getting arrested. However, let's make this better from this point forward, okay? Just try to breathe. We're gonna roll. I know we're gonna roll down the windows for you. All right, and then we're gonna get you to the hospital, get you checked out, nice and cool in there. Get your medicine. Okay, that's what you want, right? All right. So do me a favor, put your.
That's what I wanted. They told me they had my medicine. They lied to me. They told me they didn't have it.
Okay, we'll take care of you. Okay. So.
And pass out.
Right? From this point forward, we're good.
You know what? I don't have energy to fight you guys.
Okay. So do me a favor. Can you put your hands behind your back?
No, no, comfortably in front. I'm so weak. I won't move. Please. I've seen it. No, I've seen. Oh my God. Oh my. I've seen so many shows where they just let them sit. I'm so weak. Please, please. And I have PTSD so bad. Please don't. From restraining, please.
Okay.
Please.
What do you think? What do you want to do?
Please.
Front good? All right.
All right.
All right, we'll do the front. If they come off again, they're going to the back, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Ouch! Oh, God, why did you do it so tight?
I'm going to loosen them in 1 second. Here.
Put your hands like you're praying.
Come on.
There you go. Perfect. All right?
Yeah, I've got that already.
Sure.
Now, any issues from this point forward,
Please just leave this a little bit.
you hear me? Any issues from this point forward, they're going to go behind your back.
Okay, okay, ouch.
Let me see. I can't see.
This is one of my antibiotics.
She was charged with battery and resisting an officer without violence.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.